Hey, this is Joel Carriker, Trinity Roofing and Construction here at the property in Carrollton. This is a great indication of the kind of damage that we're seeing to the roofs. This is on the north side of this house. Now, and this whole front side, this is a big, and so it's got it from this side as well. All right, I'm still on the roof, so that's a good thing. But this is this is a point on. We have things that are obvious issues with the front. What most people don't realize is how the integrity of a roof is compromised, and they don't even see it. This is a great example. This here is all this is up. So you should not be doing this. I'm not bending it up. This is my finger, and it is unsealed. This is true damage. All this means later on, these shingles are continuing with this actually come apart, and it's going to be an issue. We have it on this, we put the right elevation, the rear elevation, over there, the suburban, and the everything. Most likely they're going to replace this roof because everything we're seeing. This is the obvious wind damage that's all around the house. Please, we can help you with Joel Carriker, Trinity Roofing and Construction. Give me a call, 214-530-8888.